Dear Diary, my room is my sanctuary. Okay, you're like too close to my face. Dude! Oh my gosh! Hey, I didn't even know you were stopping by. You want a room tour? I can definitely give you a room tour. Hi MTV Cribs, my name is Trinitynoelle, also known as Trinoelle, and this is my room tour. When we first walk in, just one thing you guys need to know is I have smart light bulbs in my light right there. I have this app that's called Sun, and I use that to control my light. So if I want a brighter light or a whiter light, what I use it for. So when you first walk in my room, this is what you see. You're greeted by my perfume corner. I actually really like these. I keep my body sprays here, and then I keep I keep my perfumes here. And then this is like my heel rack, so I keep my heels here. I have some platforms, and I have a backpack there because, you know, I don't have anywhere else to put. We're gonna take you over to this area. So this is one of my favorite areas in my room. This is my vanity. So actually there's like an LED light like right here at my vanity. So I've always wanted a Hollywood vanity, and it has the lights and it has the different modes. I have earmuffs, I have a birthday crown, and I just have like little things, little trinkets on here. And then this is like my computer stand where my computer sits. And then I have this really cute like mirror that I got from Five and Below. So I have my makeup mirror there, and then I have this thing my mom got me from Amazon, and it rotates. And I just keep all my makeup and facial products. As you see, I have a lot, so it can't get junky. It prevents it from like getting all over my table because I have this makeup mirror. And then I have this light overhead. I love my light. It's so cute. It's like fluffy and flowerful. It doesn't really go with the theme of my room anymore, but you know, as you guys will see in this video, I don't really have a theme to my room. I just put stuff in my room that I really liked because why not? And then I have a stool. It had a back to it. It was a butterfly stool at one point, but it broke. So now we're moving. Now we're moving on to my bed. This is like one of my favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite spot. My favorite spot is definitely my vanity, but I'm at my bed 24/7. Like I do my work in my bed. I do everything in my bed. Here we have my bedside table. So if you look at my bedside table, so I have this candle warmer because my mom is afraid that I'm gonna burn down the whole entire house. So I have my candle warmer, and then I have my diffuser, and then I have another candle that I use. This is a Leo candle that my friend got me, and I really like it because you guys didn't know I'm a Leo. And then right here is my sunset lamp and my journal, another candle, and then I have this really cute dish that my mom gave me. I just keep like, you know, my lighter for my candles, even though I don't light my candles. So my oils for my diffuser in here, you know, just a nice place to keep them. And then I have my remote to my projector. Here I just have drawers. I'm not gonna go through them because they're really junky, but you know, I have my drawer. So let me tell you about my bed. So my bed, I have this white duvet that I got from Home Goods. I will probably never get a white duvet ever again in my life just because white is so hard to keep clean, especially as a girl. You know, we have our lady days, all that stuff. And I've had so many accidents. Not like I haven't peed the bed or anything. I just had other accidents that don't refer to me peeing the bed. And then I have this Build-A-Bear that I made with my aunt on a cruise. And then I have the Squishmallow my mom got. And then I have the Popular Sunshine Flower pillow, and it goes with my pillows. I don't have the cutest pillows, and that's because I only use satin pillowcases on mine. Because I notice a big difference in like my skin and a difference in my hair when I don't use them, and sometimes I forget to wear my hair scarf, or like at night, like it'll come off. So I found it works best when I just have satin pillowcases, and that's what I do that. And then if you come like stand in front of my bed, you're going to see this poster right here. I crossed out the name because I don't support hate in any way, shape, or form, but I do support narcissism. Moving on. No, but I'm very serious. I don't support hate. That's why I crossed his name out. We do not stand him in this house. But the quote's low-key a slut. I need a room full of mirrors so I can be surrounded by winners. Me. I am a winner. I am a winner. I am a winner. And just to clarify even further, the person who said this quote has made no money off of me purchasing the banner. Also, I purchased the banner like a long time ago, but the person did not make any money off of me. The only reason that the banner, I got it from a website that does not give back. Like, the person didn't make any money. I do not support that. I do not support his claims. I know I already said that, but I really want to emphasize that. Like, I just kind of like the quote. So this is a very junky part of my room, obviously. This is where I keep all this stuff. I literally have nowhere to fit anywhere else. So like hats and bags and extra stuffed animals. And then I also keep my, I keep my books here. Oh my gosh, this book is being bent. I don't know if I'm gonna upgrade to a shelf later in the future because obviously I'm running out of space for my book. And if you'll follow me, this is my closet. Hold on, I want you guys to look. If you look right here, it says employees only, and I just thought that was so cute. And then right here, I have like this convex mirror that I'm low-key obsessed with, especially when it comes to taking pictures. Okay, so my closet's high-key a mess. Let me just stand in front of my dirty clothes. Okay, so this is my closet. Here's like a laundry chute that I'm not, no, go in there. But it's a laundry chute that I'm not allowed to use because I'm the only person in the family that has a laundry chute, weirdly enough. And then right here, I keep pants. And I have some shoes up here, and I have some shoes up here, and I have all my undergarments right here. And then I have, you know, I don't even, you know, my closet's a mess. Let's just get out. Leave my closet. This is one of the reasons that my room tour took forever. It's because...
It's about to die.
So this is the reason that my room tour, I feel like it took the longest, is because I was waiting for this to come because I've always wanted this in my room, but I don't know, I never got it. And then when I finally did get it, I had already posted like my room makeover video or something like that. This is like something I got a very long time ago to hold my bracelets. And then I have this glasses holder from Amazon, and then I have this from Home Depot that my mom got me. This is my shelf of my favorite black shoes. And then these are journals I need to throw away because I'm a hoarder. But so moving on to like, honestly, I want to say this is probably like my least favorite part of my room because I don't really know what to do much with it. I just feel like it's just too much going on at once. But I have this jewelry container that holds like some jewelry, and then I have this fake plant that I got from Target, and I have my Polaroid back there with this cup I got from Carnival, and it's just a bunch of random stuff on here like ibuprofen, a mask, my Apple Watch, and then, oh, don't look at this. This is my dream board. I keep it here so I can see it in the mornings, but you know, I'm kind of sensitive about sharing my dreams. I'm super impressed by like the pictures I have up here because I put lights on them and I really do like them, even though the lights die really fast. And I also drew these pictures, so that makes me happy. And I also have lights on these right here. I only have 3 though, because they require a lot of batteries, but I do have lights on these. I have so much stuff, and so my mom was like, Trinity, you should do this. So she got me like this miniature clothing rack for me to hang up like my purses and put my purses on. I have so many purses. I should honestly give away a lot of these because I don't wear them all, but...
Can you get something?
I don't wear them all, but this is where I keep my purses, and I also keep my slippers right. This over here is probably one of my favorite areas in my room. I got this You Look Good rug from Amazon, and I really do love it. And then I got this seagrass with the vase from, I want to say, Marshall's. And I have this mirror. At first I wanted the really tall mirror, but this mirror fits my room way more than it fits me. I can see myself pretty well. I like it. It gets my full angle. And I just keep like my cameras and like stuff that I thought would be cute. I put this stuff here. My dad says it looks cluttered, but I really like it. I feel like it captures my essence of who I am as a person and me as a teenage girl. But I just have my favorite bikini top with the heart on it, and it's pink, so it ties into my room. A bunch of my cameras, like my camcorder and my, you know, regular cameras, my ski goggles, and a claw clip. And I really like it. And then I have Tyler and Solana up here, and I'm obsessed with these posters. And then I just have a disco ball. As you can see, like the aesthetic for my room changed a lot, and I do hope that in my future spaces I'm able to tie down to one aesthetic. But you know, I wasn't being too strict on myself on the aesthetic that I need to have for this room, and I think that's why I enjoyed doing this room so much, because like I stated earlier, if I like something for my room, I literally just put it in my room, and that's how I got it. Right here I have like some necklaces that I hang up. I actually have a pearl necklace, but it's downstairs, so I just put this one here for right now. But I just hang some necklaces up for decoration. And then I have this picture of some shoes that I painted. You know, I'm trying to show my artistry. And then down here I just showcase some of my favorite boots. And then we move on to here. Right here is my calendar that I literally never use. I use this sometimes, but you know, it's January, so who knows how long I'll really be using this. And then I have a pin board, which just has like some old pictures on there. And then I have my Attack on Titans picture.
You don't watch it.
I actually do. I actually do. Don't ever. So this is the last place for us to go. So this is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. Can you back up a little bit? Actually, I just feel like you're in my spot. I don't know like if this is champ or like corny, but I really wanted to put like the signs on my room. So this is a restroom sign that I got from Staples. Let's enter into the only place in my room that manages to stay somewhat organized. This is my bathroom when you enter. My mom obviously had a common theme for my bathroom, pink. So I have like this pink curtain, which I like it. It gets the job done. And then I put that little thing right there. I think she's super cute. Yeah. And then I have Then I have some stuff like my Q-tips and my cotton balls and my makeup remover wipes over here. Then I have my cart. My cart is super cute. Like a lot of the stuff is mainly for decoration, but I just keep my body scrub, my makeup bags. I have more flowers, and then I keep like wash rags, but I use poofs, so they're definitely for decoration. And then when you come over here, you just have my sink. I like to keep my sink pretty. This is not supposed to be in here, but Hello Kitty slide. I like to keep my sink pretty like decluttered, unlike my room. I like to keep my bathroom minimalistic because the bathroom, I don't know. I just like to keep my bathroom minimalistic. So I just have my toothbrush and my literal gone toothpaste, so it's time to replace that. I have my bathroom Alexa, and then I have my toothbrush, my electric toothbrush that I got for Christmas. Shout out to my mom for that. Here, I keep my robe, I keep my towel. Look at the mascara that I wiped off my face yesterday. And I have my microfiber towel because, you know, I'm not supposed to use these type of towels on my face. But whatever. So I'm trying to show you guys my closet as much as I can, but this is like actually like one of the most organized places in my room. And I just have like hair stuff, and I have towels, and I have all that stuff, and I just keep it in there. That is it for my room tour. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys really did like my room tour, and I hope you guys look forward to seeing some more in the future, like eventually when I move or whatever. And I will see you guys in the next video.